Hello.
Hey there.
Welcome to another Advent calendar opening day. I'm not going to say it's the Vlogmas anymore daily because we've been bad.
Procrastinators Vlogmas.
Yes, we've been tired and unwell, so anyway. So let's get started. So we're going to be doing the 11th and the 12th now. So I will do the duck one first. So let's find the 11th. 11th is here. Oh, look at him.
All tangled up in the Christmas lights.
Look at him all tangled up. That's the 11th. 12th. Ooh, it's a little lamb one by the looks of it. Yeah, so that's the two from the ducky one.
So I've got the Mario one.
Scissors at the ready.
Just in case, yeah. 11th down here.
Oh, it's piranha plant.
Is he held in?
He'll be held in. There we go.
So we've got piranha plant.
He's cute.
And then number 12 down this side.
Ooh, coin in.
Another coin.
We've had one of these before, but there we go. Next I have the Advent Calendar Game and Puzzle, the Disney one. I already see 12, but we need to open them in order. We can't open 12 before we open 11 somewhere. It's really difficult to find these upside down. 11, here we go. Oh, we got the die. Try to get hold of the other one. And two puzzle pieces again.
Make up the game board.
Yep, we will put the board together at the end and insert a picture when we've eventually opened them. We're only halfway through the month. Oh, another die. So we have dice now. And then two more puzzle pieces for the boards. And
I've got the mini Disney Funkos. I just need to find these doors because they're in numerical order. So 11 and 12.
oh,
Easy to open these doors. See what we got them.
one's 11. We have scissors on the table ready.
Little Piglet.
Oh, we've got him in the big size as well. I think it's almost identical.
Got more arms and legs than that one.
Yeah, ours broke.
And number 12 is Christmas Mickey.
Cool. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this and follow along if you want to see more.